Hey guys, today we're making candy popcorn. In a pot, add in your oil and popcorn kernels and pop your corn as normal. Remove from the pot into a bowl and keep this bowl close by. In the same pot, add your water, sugar, and a drop of food coloring. With the gel food color, 1 drop goes a very long way. Give that a mix and then add in your vanilla. Allow this to boil on high heat for less than a minute, and when you notice it reduce just a little bit, you can add your popcorn back into the pot. Use a spoon to stir constantly to try and coat every kernel in the syrup. Now is not the time to take a break or to move away. Keep stirring till you notice the popcorn start to get a bit crunchy. As it gets drier, it will become harder to mix. When it looks ready, remove it from the heat, back into your bowl, and enjoy.